Have Kohler 7000 series engine, low oil pressure reading came on, replaced sensor, still get reading, changed oil, still reading low oil pressure, mower won't start.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Kohler engine? How old is it?
Just now, engine 3 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Kohler engine? What have you tried so far?
Just started, was cutting grass, no problems, shut mower down for an hour. When we went to go back to cutting grass, wouldn't start, low oil pressure reading came up on gauge.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
None that I can think of.
Hello, my name is. It's my pleasure to assist you today. I've been a small engine technician for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some answers. So I see that your oil pressure light came on and you have put a new one on and still have the same issue, is that correct? So, the oil sensor doesn't always mean low oil pressure under 3 to 5 pounds per square inch, it can also be high oil pressure that activates it. Over 3 to 5 psi. I'm going to upload the proper way to test the oil sensor. If it checks out okay, then you have an actual issue with your oil pressure.
Thanks, Eric. I stepped out for lunch. We'll be back at the house around 5 o'clock and we'll get back with you then. Figured I wouldn't hear back from you guys until tomorrow.
I'll be here at your convenience.
Thanks, Eric. I unfortunately do not have necessary tools to check the pressure. Thanks for trying to help. Thumbs up for getting back me on a Sunday. Have a good rest of your day. Regards.
My pleasure. Happy to assist.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.